Hey guys, I'm back again here with another video. My friends at dot.cards sent me a sample card here so I can show you guys how you can set it up, and how it's the only business card you'll ever need to get, just due to the fact how simple it is to use. So like as an example, put the card here, lay your phone on the back, instantly pops up, and all you have to do is hit open link, and it shows all your profile, like whatever you have that you're signed into, all your contact info, and you can exchange contact info there or just download it to that particular person. I'll show you guys how you can set this up and how to activate your actual card. So as far as setting up the card, it's very easy. They send you this little package right here, and what you'll get before the actually arrival of your card, you'll get a how-to basically on how to get the card itself activated. So it's very easy. Let's go ahead and open up the package. You can see what all you get. So card opens up just like that, and then here's the actual dot card. They give you a wealth of different color options. I just went with the black one. I just kind of like the cleanliness look of this one, and then also you get a instruction manual on how to activate the actual card. But it is very easy. So all you'll do is on your new card itself, you'll just put the card on the back, you'll hit open link, and then it'll ask you time to connect your dot card. So you'll hit activate, and if you don't already have an account, you'll just set up an account. But what I'll do is I'll just log in. Alrighty, so once you get everything signed in, you just hit login, and then you can name the card whatever you want. So I'll just name this one new card, and that is it. It is super easy to get these cards activated, and you can customize everything about it. So when you hit finish activation, you can change so many different things. So location, company, all your different channels. You can add content to the actual info card as well, and there's so many. So like, for example, here's the recommended ones, here's contact info, and there's so many different things to choose from there. Social links shows you right there, and if you already have them signed up, it shows you how many accounts are tied to it. Productivity, your Google Drive, App Store, payment links, and then music. So all of these accounts you can set up where they pop up on your actual home page. But other than that, like I said, these cards are definitely worth to get, because it's, again, like I said, the only card you ever have to purchase. It does also have a QR code on the back that also links you to your profile from any other device if it's having issues with the NFC scanning. So all you have to do, scan the QR code, instantly brings you up to your page. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a little quick one, but other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.